87 tanks and 144 Bradley fighting vehicles being unloaded at the North German port of Bremerhaven.
It sends a very clear signal of our commitment to peace and security, and we're going to learn a great deal from it.
It's the biggest shipment of American tanks since the Cold War. It will eventually be moved to Eastern Europe, where it will bolster a NATO operation to deter Russian aggression.
So I serve as the company unit movement officer. I'm in charge of making sure all of our equipment gets put on the trains, which happened back at Fort Carson. Then they moved to Beaumont, Texas, and from Beaumont, Texas, they got loaded onto these vessels here. Then from Beaumont, Texas, here to Bremerhaven. Around
3,500 troops from the 4th Infantry Division in Fort Carson in Colorado will join the equipment over the next 2 weeks. The deployment marks the start of a new phase of Operation Atlantic Resolve, which foresees a continuous presence of an American Armour Brigade combat team in Europe on a 9-month rotational basis.
We're very proud of what is occurring today with the deployment of the 3rd Brigade Combat Team, 4th Infantry Division, which, as General Ray said, is a visible sign of the continued U.S. commitment to peace and security and prosperity on the continent of Europe.
The new forces will gather first in Poland, then fan out across 7 countries from Estonia to Bulgaria, with the headquarters in Germany.
We'll move them forward from this location via rail and convoy, while the soldiers fly from home station direct into Poland and prepare to receive this equipment, where the unit will then prepare to configure its equipment for training and exercises across Eastern Europe.
The mission is meant to help concerns held by Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Poland and other NATO allies about Russia. NATO has already started positioning equipment and ammunition in Eastern Europe to reduce the time it would take additional units to deploy if needed. The US says it's determined to deter aggression and defend its European allies and partners. Danny Crawshaw, Forces News.